Hi everyone, I'm Hanna Poggi here from House 67, and I'm joined today with Sam and Jasmine from Health Services here at Cabrini. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. So just to start off here, I heard you guys were setting up a table in Founders Lobby, trying to spread awareness about health services. Can you tell me a little bit about what that table is about and kind of the goal that you had for it?
Yeah, so we were in Founders Lobby. There was a couple of us, and we have a group project for one of our classes, for Dr. Key actually. And the goal of the table basically was to spread awareness about health services, where it's at, what they offer, and a little bit of information about COVID.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. Did you have a good turnout? Did a lot of people show up? And what kind of forms did you have on the table, or the info that was there?
We did have a really good turnout. I think at the end of the day we had over 40 responses for our one survey that we had.
Yeah, it was 50 something.
Yeah, we had a good turnout, and we had flyers on our table for people to take, some about COVID-19, some about the health services down below on Founders right next to the CAF. And we had little things like hand sanitizers, COVID tests, and masks.
Yeah.
Was it a little goodie bag with stuff in it?
No, people kind of just came up and picked what they wanted. We had it set up openly, yeah.
That's
cool. It was kind of cool.
So what was on the form specifically? The info?
So it was, what did you know, general information about health services. That was an open response. As to whether or not you knew where it was located. Have you ever used it before? What else was on there?
I'm not totally
Yeah,
sure.
that's kind of basically the overall, what you knew about health services, if you knew about it, and if you used it before.
Nice. So what would you guys say are the benefits of health services here on campus?
I think some of the benefits are that they give free COVID testing, year round. And also they recently just had a flu clinic.
Yeah.
Which is very nice.
When was that flu clinic?
I think last week. It was the 8th, the 9th, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what would you guys think it means to have COVID-19 awareness for everyone?
Basically just to kind of stay up to date as to, the numbers, different variants, different strands that are going around. Because I know recently they mentioned another booster shot. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so a little bit more about the table. What were some of the COVID-19 precautions you were trying to tell everyone?
Basically just what they knew about COVID, had they ever had it, how COVID is contracted, things of that nature.
So what do you think is the most important COVID-19 precaution, in your opinion?
I would have to say properly washing your hands.
Yeah, definitely.
And after you touch any contaminated surface.
So how exactly is a proper way to wash your hands?
So you want to wash your hands for at least 30 to 45 seconds.
Yeah.
And you really want to get everywhere, under your fingernails, in between your fingers, everything like that. And then the main thing is when you're finished washing your hands to take a paper towel or something and turn off the faucet with that, because your contaminated hands before you wash them was just
right. So if you touch it afterwards, after washing your hands, there's no point in washing your hands.
Okay, that's smart. So okay, this is probably a weird question, but do you wet your hands first and then do the soap, or the soap and then the water?
Yeah, wet your hands, then soap, lathering. Yup.
Just so everyone can know at home.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay, awesome. So where can people find health services here on campus?
Health Services is located on the lower floor of Founders, right next to the CAF.
Awesome. And then what does health services do day to day?
So there's a nurse in there. She's there every day, Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. She can provide different information. She can, supply you with Band-Aids and stuff like that, like any regular school nurse. And she can also refer you to different people who may be able to help if she can't provide help. And also get you in contact with, I think, Penn Medicine for different appointments and stuff like that.
That's great, because I feel a lot of people on campus don't really know that we even have health services.
Yeah, no,
which is
you'd be
crazy.
surprised. The survey that we took, a lot of people didn't even know where it was at. Yeah.
I would have to say probably 50% out of 50% of the people that responded had no clue where health services was located.
That's crazy. I mean, I didn't really know too much about health services either, and I'm a senior, so I feel that's kind of crazy to hear about. So, is there anything that you guys would like to, say about health services that we didn't mention? Something that you would want people to know?
I think something that is really important for people to know is that there is a doctor that comes every Tuesday, 2 to 4, And he is also available via telemedicine.
Yeah.
So you could make an appointment online if needed.
Mm-hmm.
And like for appointments, like what are like the, I guess, like availability times so people would know?
I think that's something that you would have to contact the nurse and or the doctor about, yeah. Because that wasn't given to us.
Awesome. Okay, well thank you guys so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
I appreciate
Thank
hearing
you.
from you and about health services. So I think that is all the time we have today from all of us here at House 67 Productions. Make sure you tune in and check out health services here at Cabrini University. And yeah, I'm Hanna Poggi, and we will talk to you guys next time.